Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am so extremely excited to be doing today's video because it is going to be it is my next product reveal for Lunar Beauty. If you guys do not know, I own a brand. It is called Lunar Beauty. I'm the CEO of Lunar Beauty and it is my brand, and I have come out with things in the past. I have Life's a Drag and I had a Greek Goddess collection last year. Both were absolutely amazing and I'm so thrilled that you guys loved the products. And honestly, if you guys did not love the products, I wouldn't be able to continue to create more and come out with more things that I love and truly put my heart and soul into. So I'm just really excited. I literally have like no words. I'm just really excited to share with you guys the next product in my line. It's something that you have seen before with my line, but it is different in its own way. So that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't forget to watch the show. But if you guys do like this video, please go give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys are excited. You guys are probably thinking, shut the fuck up, bro. Shut up. Okay, I am. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so my next product reveal. Oh my god. These are my Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Powders. I'm so excited. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay guys, so I just turned down the brightness one notch because I want you guys to be able to see exactly what the product looks like without, you know, studio lighting or things like that. This is my face without, you know, a lot of lighting on it. God damn. Oh my god, I'm not ready. Technically, we have 4. Let's calm down. Let's not get ahead of ourselves now. Let's go and start with 1. So we have these bad boys right here. These are my new Moon Prism Powders. These are highlighters, you guys. So I actually came out with individual highlighters. I do have my Greek Goddess highlighter palette that I came out with during the last collection that I did, but I wanted to come out with individual highlighters and continue on with my brand and continuing to come out with more product and growing my products. You know, now the fact that it's not a collection, it's its own thing, it's its own entity, it's gonna live on in my brand. These are Moon Prism Powders. And the reason I call them Moon Prism Powders is because, what does it remind you of? Moon Prism Power! Sailor Moon. Any Sailor Moon fans out there? Any Sailor Moon fans out there? Please stand up. Of course, if you guys do not know this, I'm a huge fan of Sailor Moon, and she was a big inspiration for me growing up, and I wanted to do a Moon Prism powder, and these are highlighter powders. So we open them on up, we can see the packaging is holographic. It's like a pink holographic. You pull it out. Boom. Oh my god. And you pop her out right here. And this is the component right here. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm so excited. Like, I haven't shown anyone this. Like, I'm just really excited. So my vision for the Moon Prism Powders was basically as if you broke off a piece of the moon and you had it with you. You know, I wanted it to be reflective, I wanted it to be holographic, I wanted it to have these really cool facets to it. The plastic itself is actually a little bit see-through, so when you look at it in different lighting, you can actually see the highlighter in it, if that makes any sense. It's kind of hard to explain. But when you turn it, oh yeah, over here. So you can see when you turn it at different lights, you can see like a little bit as if it's literally encased in crystal. It's encased in like this moon surrounding. So that was my vision behind the product. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm sorry, I'm winded, I'm sweating. So I'm actually coming out with 4 shades to start with. They are going to be Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, and Mars. And those are gonna be the 4 shades. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all the shades right now and show you guys exactly what they look like. Oh my god. This is Jupiter. 3 of them are the same formula as my Greek Goddess formula. A lot of people really enjoyed that formula, so I wanted to keep it very cohesive and same with my last formula. And 1 Jupiter is actually going to be a different formula. It's a little bit more of a glitter topper type of highlighter. I really wanted to try something different out and try out a different type of formula just to see how people liked it. These bad boys are going to be launching on the 17th, this Wednesday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I wanted to keep the price point really fair, so the price point is going to be $26 for the highlighters. You know, of course, you get the custom component. Girl, this packaging. Ooh, with the little mirror. Like, I just love the way it reflects. It looks like purple, it looks blue, it looks pink. It gives you this rainbow holographic vibe. The bottom of it even, like, goddamn. And just like my other products have been, these are made in the United States. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these shades on my arm right now, just so you can see exactly what they swatch like, what they look like. We will go from the lightest to the deepest. There's gonna be one really fair shade, 2 medium shades and 1 deeper shade. I just feel like as a new brand I'm starting out, I want to be able to cover as many skin tones as I could, but also at the same time, I can't come out with 10 highlighters at the same time. So I came out with 4 instead to start, and honestly, I absolutely love them so much. So I'm actually gonna be showing you guys 3 different swatches. I'm gonna do a swatch on bare skin, on skin with foundation, and then I'm gonna do a brush swatch right here with the highlighting brush. So first product first, we're gonna go from lightest to deepest. We have the shade Mercury, which is going to be a stunning white base with a gold undertone, as you can see. Right here, we have a white base with a gold reflect underneath. This is gonna be fantastic for really fair complexions because it does have that white undertone. So if you are really fair in complexion, I think this would really be fantastic on you. Next, we're gonna go in, we have the shade Mars, which is a beautiful, stunning peach. It's like a true peach shade. It's like a pinky peach. So this is her right here. We have Mars, stunning peachy shade. As you can see that undertone, you can look down and it's peach. So we have a peach pink. I love her. Next, we have the shade Venus, which is a stunning medium toned gold. It's like a true gold. It's just so, I can't even describe it. It literally, oh my God, like I can't. I literally cannot. This is what she looks like right here. So you can see when I turn it, it's definitely a medium toned gold. It's a Fritz Brene. It's a Fritz fucking Brene. And then we have the last shade, which is the shade Jupiter right here, which is actually a different formula compared to these 3 right here. This is going to be a deep bronze copper, and it actually has a little bit of reflect in it. So that means it has little tiny glitter particles in it. So I was really excited to try this formula out just to see what you guys thought of it. You know, I have this formula and I wanted to introduce another one just to see what you guys thought. But this one feels a little bit rougher than the other 3 do because it has reflect in it. It has to be pressed a little bit harder. So that is Jupiter right here. Right there, that's Miss Jupiter right there. It's gorgeous for deeper complexions. Just, girl, I can't. And that is it, you guys. These are my new products. These are the Moon Prism Powders by Lunar Beauty, and I'm just so beyond excited to be coming out with these. Also, by the way, you guys, I'm going to be having bundles on my site as well. If you guys want to buy 1, they're $26. If you guys want to buy 2, they will be 15% off when you buy both. And if you guys wanted to buy all 4, they will be 20% off. They will be on the site, of course. But I can't believe that they launched this Wednesday already. It's like crazy. I've been working on these for so long. This componentry is not stock. It's not easy. It's not something you can just go pick up randomly. You know, I have to design it and I have to have it made and go through so many different samples. And I want Lunar Beauty just to be like this work of art brand that you guys are excited to be able to buy and use and pull out in public and be like, yeah, this is Lunar Beauty, and feel proud to own it. You know, you guys are spending your hard-earned money on it. I want it to be as amazing as possible for you guys, and I hope that you guys see that. And the amount of love and positivity I got from my packaging for Greek Goddess and for Life's a Drag, and you know, my lip components, how people see that they've never seen things like that before. That's exactly what I want. I'm doing the best that I can to come up with, you know, innovative things that will be fun and things that you guys would be proud to own. So that is that. Okay guys, but before we go, we're gonna use them on my face right now. So I'm gonna go and take the shade Mars. And we're just gonna build up Miss Mars. Oh my God. Girl, I can't. And I like this one because this one's, I feel like, the most buildable. Right there. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Mercury and just pop that right in the center. Oh my heck. By the way, you guys, for these, the combination that works for me the best is Mars and Mercury combined. I just love that combination. I like the way it looks on my skin. I like the way it photographs. It just gives me that really just high point reflection, and I absolutely love it. I'm a big mix and match girl though. I love mix and matching highlighters. And Mars and Mercury, bitch, they give it to me so hard. Ooh. And that's why for me, I like to put it at the top of my cheekbone to really hit that arch and just kill it, and just absolutely kill it. Boom! Okay, you guys, and that is it. I just want to say thank you guys so much for everyone that has supported Lunar Beauty and who has been there for me and who has just been along with me on this journey. It's been the craziest journey ever, and it's just so exciting for me because I get to see something that I love come to fruition, and I've worked so hard on creating these products and making them the best that I can make them. The fact that you guys appreciate that and you guys see that makes me so happy. So set your alarms. The Moon Prism Powders will be available in 3 days, and I cannot wait for you guys to try them out and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Start this shit before I get too scared to do it again. I'm scared. Okay. Oh my god. Ay, ay, ay. Like, this is dope. Okay, okay. Okay. I'm nervous. I can do this. I can do this. It's fine. Like, stop. It's not like I've never done this before. Like, shut the fuck up. Oh my god. I just filmed my reveal video on these bad boys. Fuck. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide. Fuck.